Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can solve the issue of your Discord consuming a lot of storage or it have been becoming absolutely slow, or how you can simply factory reset your Discord without deleting any important file or logging out. Now in order to do all that, just simply close the Discord first, then press Windows plus R key on your keyboard. Here search for app data percent, then hit enter. Here, go to the Discord folder, and here you'll find multiple folder. Now, just simply select these three folders, that is cache, code cache, and GPU caches. Simply delete these three folder. It will store all the things that are coming in the cache folder. So you can simply delete that to simply delete all the unnecessary files that are stored and on the Discord. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.